First I'm taking the shade Sweet Beets and I'm building that up in the crease. Then to help diffuse the crease, I'm taking the shade Vampy Vixen and I'm just going to blend on the outer edges of Sweet Beets. And then I'm just taking a cleaner fluffy brush just to blend out the edges. Then taking MAC Select Cover Up Concealer, I'm just going to cut out sort of the centre of the eye to create a spotlight and something for the metallic shade to stick to. And here I'm just blending out the edges with the previous brush I used. Then taking the shade Colour Persona, I'm going to place that on top of the concealer. Then I'm taking the shade FOTD to deepen the crease and outer corner. For the waterline, I'm just using a black Kohl pencil, which I'm then going to blend out with a smudger brush. And then to set that pencil, I'm just going to place Black Magic on top of it. Then going back in with Sweet Beets, I'm just going to blend out the lower lash line. Now for glitter, I'm using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liners. This one is in the shade Junkshow. Then I'm just adding mascara to my top and bottom lashes. For lips, I'm using the Lip Kit by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Candy K.